Welcome back to the channel DM with Karl, and in this video I'm going to show you how to film YouTube shorts on a Sony Mirrorless camera. So we're just getting set up and ready to film our YouTube short, and I want to walk you through the entire process and show you step by step what we do in order to record great shorts that are going to get you more views on your YouTube video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to change our YouTube setup from shooting horizontal to shoot it vertical. So we're going to head over to the tripod here and we're going to adjust. We've got the Sony Alpha 6400 and all I want to do is adjust it so it's not filming horizontal and we're going to be filming vertical. So most of your tripods should have a setting like this and you can just turn the camera on the vertical. Now the cool thing with the Sony is on the back you can check the levels to check if the camera is level. So we're just going to do that quickly. You can do this by hitting the display button and that'll let you know when you are at the level. When you level you'll get the two green arrows on the outside lighting up, so we're happy there. So then I like to head back and show the histogram so we can see what the exposure is like for that video. Get our framing right, we're going to tighten that up. So we set and ready, and I turn the screen so that I can see exactly what I'm filming and what is going on there. And you can see bubbles filming there. That's a beautiful shot. Then I like to reframe my shot just so we can get the bottom of the desk there. And that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Then we're going to head back to our setup. First I'll check the framing before I hit that record, and I'm quite happy with that framing and how it's set up. That light in the background is a bit bright, so I'm going to turn that light down a bit. So we've got a backlight here with all of the mess in the background. So I'll turn that down a bit, just so it's not so harsh. And we're ready to record, so we're going to hit that record button. We're rolling on camera 1. We're filming on camera 2, so we're good to go. We're going to do a quick sound test to check our sound. Sound test, 1, 2, 3. That mic in a bit closer to us, and we are nearly ready to roll. The only thing is we've got two cameras rolling, so we're going to sync clap so we can line up those two audios in post. Sync clap. Okay, and we're ready to roll and rumble. Now the video I'm going to be filming here is a YouTube short that's going to link to the video that you're currently watching. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and head over. If you did watch the short and now you're watching this, then the algorithm is working, and I want to show you how you can do the same so that you can get the views on your videos that you deserve. If you want to see the full step-by-step process that we use to film our YouTube shorts, then you can click the link in the description down below and watch the video at the end of this short so that you can learn exactly how to create awesome YouTube shorts that actually get you the views that you deserve on your videos. A lot of people are not really sure what they can do with YouTube shorts yet, so I don't want you to be intimidated by the new YouTube shorts. I want you to get started, and I want you to take advantage of this amazing new tool that YouTube has given us. And the best thing that you can do right now is click on this video and watch exactly how you can start creating YouTube shorts that get you the views that you deserve. So the nice thing about YouTube shorts is they're quick and easy to create. They have to be less than a minute, and the only real stipulation is they have to be longer than they are wide. So you don't have to film at a full 16:9. It can be a 4:5 as long as it is longer than it is wide. So we finished our video, so let's end that recording. Gonna head over. Cool, so we've ended that recording, and that's a quick and easy tutorial on how you can create awesome YouTube shorts that'll get you the views that you deserve. If you have any questions or queries about creating YouTube shorts, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you have any other videos you want us to create, let us know down below, and I'll see you in the next video.